Welcome to English from Afar. I'm really glad you're here today. In this session, we're going to practice English using shadowing. That means you will listen to each sentence and then repeat it out loud. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation. It helps you build confidence when speaking, and it trains your brain to think in English more naturally. Here's how to do this practice. First, listen carefully. Then repeat each sentence 2 times. Speak out loud. Your voice is important. Don't just read silently, don't skip any part. The more you practice actively, the faster you improve. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Part 1. Easy sentences. We will start with simple, everyday sentences. Listen and repeat. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth every morning. I drink coffee at home. I drink coffee at home. I take a shower before work. I feel a little sleepy today. Sleepy means you feel tired and want to sleep. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I listen to music on the way. I check my phone often. I arrive at work on time. On time means not late. I start work at 9. I talk to my coworkers. Coworkers are people you work with. I have lunch at noon. I have lunch at noon. I like simple food. I drink water during the day. I feel busy today. Busy means you have many things to do. I finish work at 5. I go home in the evening. I go home in the evening. I watch TV after dinner. I call my friends sometimes. I feel relaxed at night. Relaxed means calm and not stressed. I go to bed early. I sleep for 8 hours. I sleep for 8 hours. I like quiet mornings. I enjoy my routine. Routine means your daily habits. I feel good today. I feel good today. I try to stay healthy. I take a walk in the evening. I smile when I feel happy. I smile when I feel happy. Great job. You're doing really well. Keep going. Part 2. Intermediate sentences. Now we move to slightly longer and more natural sentences. Stay focused. You're improving. Let's continue. I usually wake up before my alarm goes off. Goes off means starts ringing. I make a quick breakfast because I'm often in a hurry. I sometimes skip breakfast when I'm running late. Running late means you are late or almost late. I prefer tea, but today I chose coffee. I check my emails as soon as I get to work. I try to stay organized during the day. I have a meeting with my team every morning. I have a meeting with my team every morning. I take short breaks to rest my mind. I like to keep my desk clean and simple. I often write notes to remember important tasks. I feel more productive in the morning. Productive means you get a lot done. I usually eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk about work and daily life. I sometimes feel stressed, but I try to stay calm. I listen carefully when others are speaking. I ask questions if I don't understand something. I ask questions if I don't understand something. I finish my tasks before leaving the office. I like to plan my day in advance. In advance means before it happens. I go to the gym a few times a week. I try to eat healthy food most of the time. I enjoy cooking dinner at home. I watch shows to relax after a long day. I call my family in the evening. I like to spend time with close friends. I sometimes read books before bed. I try to learn something new every day. I try to learn something new every day. I stay positive even when things are difficult. I believe practice makes progress. I enjoy improving my English step by step. I feel proud of my effort today. I feel proud of my effort today. Excellent work. You've made great progress. Now we move to the advanced level. Stay confident. You can do this. Part 3. Advanced sentences. These sentences are more complex but still natural and useful. Focus on rhythm and clarity. Let's begin. I've been trying to improve my time management skills at work. Time management means how you use your time efficiently. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed when I have too many tasks. Overwhelmed means you feel too stressed or pressured. I try to prioritize important tasks before less urgent ones. Prioritize means decide what is most important. If I don't understand something, I ask for clarification. Clarification means a clearer explanation. I've noticed that consistency helps me improve faster. Consistency means doing something regularly. I prefer working in a quiet environment because it helps me focus. I've been thinking about changing my daily routine. Sometimes I need to step back and take a break. Step back means pause and think again. I believe communication is key in any workplace. Key means very important. I try to express my ideas clearly and confidently. I've learned that mistakes are part of the learning process. I often reflect on my day to see what I can improve. Reflect means think carefully about something. I try to stay motivated even when progress feels slow. I enjoy solving problems because it challenges my thinking. I've been working on building better habits. I think it's important to stay open to new ideas. I sometimes struggle with pronunciation, but I keep practicing. Struggle means to find something difficult. I've realized that speaking regularly builds confidence. I try to stay calm under pressure. Under pressure means in a stressful situation. I believe learning a language takes patience and effort. I've been focusing on improving my listening skills. I enjoy having meaningful conversations with others. Meaningful means important or valuable. I try to explain my thoughts in a clear and simple way. I've started using English more in my daily life. I think making small progress every day is enough. I've learned to accept challenges as opportunities. I try to stay consistent with my practice. I feel more confident than I did before. I feel more confident than I did before. I'm proud of how far I've come. I will continue to improve step by step. I will continue to improve step by step. Outro, amazing work today. You completed a full shadowing session with English from afar. That's something to be proud of. Remember, learning English is like exercise. You don't get strong in one day, but if you practice a little every day, you will see real progress. Come back and repeat this session again tomorrow. Repeat the sentences, speak out loud, build your confidence. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share English from afar with others who are learning English too. Keep going, keep practicing, and most importantly, believe in yourself. You're getting better every day.